Yeah, in this chapter is about a particle. Yeah, when the particle moving on the magnetic field, they have force magnetic. Yeah, and when they have uh, moving on the electric field, yeah, they have electric force. Yeah, uh, as we know, magnetic field is BQV. Yeah, we have a formula. This one, yeah, BQV, uh, BQV. Then since now E, yeah, I equals to charge over time, so force equals also FBQL over T. Yeah, yeah. This is an example when the particle, such as electron, yeah, moving on the flux magnetic density or B, yeah. So they have equilibrium between force magnetic and also centripetal force. Yeah. With centripetal force is mv square over r, and then magnetic force is bqv. Yeah, that's it. So from this relationship between centripetal force and magnetic force, uh, we have a radius of circle this particle. Yeah, uh, they have like a circular motion. Yeah, circular motion. So then uh, this is about on the electric field. Yeah, on the electric field. Yeah, when two plates connect into voltage. Yeah, connect to voltage, they have electric field. I go to the apa namanya, end of chapter test ya, end of chapter question. Last meeting actually until number 2 ya, but ini kehapus ini ya. Yang biasa connection internet ataupun software ininya biasa kalau lagi update dia jadi hilang ya gitu, nggak tahu. Oke, coba kita ke hmm, number 3. With number 3, atau coba kita ke hitungan ya guys. 3, 4, 5. Oke deh, 3, 4, 5. Kita coba 3, 4, 5 ya. Number 3, particle, an alpha particle and a beta particle are traveling through a uniform magnetic field. They have some velocity, same velocity, and their velocity are at right angle to the field. Determine the ratio of mass of the two particle, charge of the two particle. Oh, here. Um, Alpha particle is, yeah, helium for H2. Yeah. And then beta particle is electron. Yeah. 0 minus 1. So mass of two particle, yeah, uh, here, mass alpha, mass beta. Mass alpha, yeah, this is like something with oh yeah, Mass beta, beta is electron ya. This is same thing with mass of electron. Then we see this ya. This is actually 4 is for same thing with 2 electron and 2 proton ya. So mass of the proton gini. This is 2 mass of electron plus 2 mass of proton. Yeah. Oh, we need to see about mass of proton ya. Ini kita nggak tahu nih guys, massa proton. Ya, massa elektron juga yang kemarin ya, mass of the electron. Ya. Mass of the electron is about 9.1 times 10 to the power minus 19 minus 31 ya. Kilogram. Okay, I check first about mass of proton ya. Actually mass of proton is provided when you on the past paper ya. Mass proton ya. Ini sebenarnya ada di atas ya, di past paper itu pasti ada di atas. Mass proton itu adalah 1,67 dikali 10 pangkat minus 27 in kilogram ya. Jadi bisa kita tulis ini ya. 9,1 kali 10 pangkat minus 31 times 2 ya. Two times ya. Plus 2 mass of proton is 1.67 times 10 to the power negative 27 yeah. Divided mass of electron is 9.1 times 10 to the power minus 31. Oh, how much is it ya? Ini ini different power ya, different pangkat nih, 27 nih 31. Nantinya jadi desimalnya, tapi coba kita cari ya. Is it wrong about this one? Is it correct ya? 9.1 times 10 to the power negative 31 and this is 1.67 times 10 to the power negative 27 ya. Ini bukan untuk dihafal ya, ini nggak dihafal ya, Ronan and Cedric. Ini ada di constant, jadi sudah provide ya, provided ya, 27. Hanya ini kalau kita bikin rasionya ya, ini agak sedikit susah karena ini 10 power, ini 10 power itu. Jadi kayak angka itu 1.0000 and then something gitu. Nah, ini different ya. Oke, coba kalau misalkan Bapak cari deh ya. Ini 2. Kalau kita breakdownnya agak lama nih, misalkan ya. Ini adalah 18.2 times 10 to the power negative 31 plus 1,6. Ini adalah 3.34 ya, 3.34 times 10 to the power negative 27 divided 9.1 times 10 to the power negative 31. This is about 3,000 ya, 3,672. Yes, that's it. Ini ya, rasionya adalah seperti itu. Okay, check question B. The charge on the two particles. Okay, about charge. No, about charge ya. Q ya of alpha divided Q of beta. This is same thing with here they have alpha is something for 2 electron 2 proton this is something 2 Q of electron plus 2 Q of proton divided with Q electron because alpha is helium for H2 and beta is electron. From this electron, charge of electron is same with charge of proton. Q electron same thing with Q proton. That's Q electron is 1.6 times 10 to the power negative 19 coulomb. Ini bukan sesuatu yang perlu dihafal, tapi emang Bapak hafal ya. Tapi ini ada juga di formula, di constant number ya. Jadi kalau nggak dihafal, pasti ada di atas juga. Nah, karena ini sama 2Q elektron, 2Q elektron, maka 4Q elektron divided Q elektron. So, ratio between Q alpha and Q beta is 4 ya. Ini kan kita bisa cancel ya, QE become 4. Maka rasionya adalah 4. Nah, ini untuk question B. Masih dua lagi. The force created by magnetic field on the two particle. Magnetic field. Magnetic field. Oke, kita lanjut sini aja. Di sini ya. B. C di sini aja. Electric field or magnetic field? Magnetic field ya. Magnetic field. B. Magnetic field actually they like proportional with Q here. Why? Because they proportional with I. And this is B directly proportional with Q ya. As you know, Q equals to IT ya. So between B alpha and B electron beta ya, B beta, this is same thing with Q alpha, Q beta. Ya. Ratio between Q alpha and beta is 4. Ya, ini. Maka jawabannya adalah 4 juga. Tuh. Nah, ini. Ya. Satu lagi di nomor 3, ya. The radius, ya, circular orbit two particle in the magnetic field. Radius, ya. Oke. Here. Radius is, yeah, we have formula for the radius when they moving on the magnetic field. Yeah. R as R equals to mv per b cube. Formula yang kemarin ya guys. Maka kalau dalam kecepatan constant, ya, V constant, ya, V constant. So like apa ratio between this one, ya, like R alpha divided R beta. This is same thing with M alpha, ya, per M beta, ya, times R with B is inversely, so ratio R alpha and R beta, this is become B beta per B alpha. Then once more about Q also inversely, yeah, so we can decide Q beta per Q alpha. Okay. M alpha and M beta is 3672 times B beta B alpha. B beta B alpha is 1/4, ya, karena ini B alpha over B beta, maka ini 1/4 times one more Q beta Q alpha. Q beta Q alpha, we have Q alpha per Q beta is 4, ya, maka ini jadi 1/4, ya. So same thing with 3672 divided 16. Yeah, how much is it? Divided 16. 229,52. It's about 229 times, yeah, the ratio between R alpha and R beta. Okay, that's it, yeah.